Okay, this is a test to see how far away I can be from the microphone in order to record properly. Just working out some of the details so that I can, in the future, record videos. I'm gonna step back a little bit further from the camera just to see how far away I can be. Now, if the recorder picks me up from this distance, then I know that it's going to be good from this distance if I record someone else doing it. I'm also going to see where I can stand in relation to it and not be seen on camera, so I can record others and have guest commentaries and so forth. So I'm going to end now and see how it turned out.